You ever had one of those days where life just hits you out of nowhere? The car breaks down, your kid needs new shoes, or that medical bill pops up, and suddenly you're sitting there thinking, man, if I could just get $500 fast, I'd be okay. Yeah, I've been there. We all have. So today, I want to talk to you like a real friend, not some finance robot, and show you 4 ways to get between $500 and $2,000 fast, safely, and smartly. First, sell something you already own, but do it the right way. You don't need to empty your closet for pennies. Focus on things that hold real value. Your old iPhone, that tablet you barely use, gaming console, camera, tools, even designer sneakers. List them on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or Craigslist. And take clean, bright photos. Write a short, honest description. Used for 6 months, works great, just upgrade it. You'll be surprised how fast people show up with cash in hand. Remember, you're not losing something. You're trading something you don't use for something you actually need. Second, make quick local cash using your time and energy. Most people underestimate how valuable a few hours of honest work can be. Check apps like TaskRabbit, Nextdoor, or local Facebook groups. People are always looking for someone to help them move, mow a lawn, clean a garage, or watch their pets. Even one weekend of doing small gigs can bring you $300 to $700. Easy. No fancy skills. Just show up, be reliable, and treat people well. That's it. Third, freelance online. Start small, think smart. Maybe you can write, design, edit, translate, or even talk to customers. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer let you offer services today. No degree needed. Even if you only make $50 on your first client, that's proof you can do it again. The internet doesn't care where you're from. It only cares what you can deliver. Start now. And by next month, this could be a steady side income instead of a one-time fix. Fourth, get help, but do it with confidence, not desperation. Reach out to your bank or credit union. Many offer short-term emergency loans with low interest if you're already a member. Or ask a friend or family member, but be specific. Say, I need $500 for my car repair. I'll pay you back in 2 weeks. People respect honesty and a plan. You'd be surprised how often they say yes when you show responsibility. And here's the truth. Getting out of an emergency isn't about magic tricks or luck. It's about staying calm when everyone else panics. You don't need to feel ashamed. You just need to act smart and move fast. Because a week from now, you can either be in the same spot or you can be the one saying, you know what? I actually made it happen. So tonight, don't overthink. Pick one step, just one, because that small move might be the start of something bigger. A little confidence, a little freedom, and a lot less stress.